Guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add music to your snaps on Snapchat. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. If you have any problems or any queries within the process, let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Snapchat app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, you'll be in this particular interface. So I'm using an Android version. Now let's just get a snap first. So I'm just going to be having a black screen. Now over here under the Caesar like option, you'll be having this music button. Just press over here. Now you can choose any music from here. You can have your my favorites while you list it. You can have a trending music over here. You can go to featured and you can have a playlist over here like spring fling, viral, love, and many more popular one, or you can even create the sound. So just choose one like this and now press on the stick, and now you'll be having music on your snap. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you're gonna be doing. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll be seeing you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.